The introduction part, we need to focus on the rhythm. Many students find that's very confusing, particularly with the piano accompaniment. So now what we're gonna set is 60 per BPM. Okay, it's a little slower than what's written. Okay, ready, go. So the long hold double stop A, you really need to count because that's where the pianist has the solo. Couple other things I want to talk about. There are alternative fingerings you can use. Measure 7, you could do an easier fingering, which is you stay in third position. What would make it a little bit prettier is that you're going to go on the A string. Do you hear that? It's on the same string, so it's a little prettier. It's more consistent in sound. It's up to your level, because if you don't feel confident to shift on the A string, just stay in third position. All right, we're gonna go on to the end of the introduction part. So 1, 2, 2. So this is where the Polonaise starts, with the pickup to the Polonaise. So the Polonaise, the dance part, we're gonna set the metronome to about 58. Now be very careful with the chords. So let's work on the chords first. But make sure you play like more like one note versus 4 notes. So it's a very quick up bow. Ready, go. Now this scale is a little hard for the rhythm, so make sure your C sharp is on the second click. I'll do one more time. Ready, go. So, but when you perform, you don't need to play the C sharp so loudly. Okay, so now I won't do the accent. Okay, we're gonna skip to the middle section. We're gonna go a little bit faster. So ready, go. So this melody part at 51 even sounds very melodic and it sounds very soothing, but you still have to have a really good rhythm. Okay, now we're going to talk about the very end. 87 actually. So this is called a syncopation, that measure. So I'll do one more time. So metronome to play those chords. When you see the triplets, you need to practice the single notes first. Then you start to do the triplet. Make sure accent on both, down or up, okay? So they come out even. Okay, thank you.